Hello students, as we started our third lesson of 7th standard, that is tides, that is tides, and we saw in first video of this lesson definition of tides, the information about tides, and one activity also we have seen. Then gravitational and centrifugal force, we had discussed about that. Today again we are going to see next part of this lesson. On the screen textbook is appearing, so see it carefully. Keep notebook with you. While teaching, I am going to give markings also of extra questions as well as exercise question answers. According to that, we are going to teach and learn. See it carefully and watch the video carefully. Listen it carefully. See on page number 9. Again, one activity has given. Take a half glass of water. You should have to take half a glass of water. Slowly move the glass in one direction. In one direction, you should have to just move that. See that picture, boy moving the glass with water, just like this. Okay? See, boy is moving the water. Observe that, and you should do that as a practical also. Then observe what happens if you whirl a key ring around the finger. So take key ring and just have to whirl it. Okay, म्हणजे किचेन जे असते आपलं सायकलचं म्हणा किंवा मोटरसायकलचं, त्या किचनला बोटात धरून काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला, गोल गोल फिरवायचं. ओके, मग गोल गोल फिरविताना काय काय घडते याचं तुम्हाला निरीक्षण करायचं आहे. यू शुड हॅव टू ऑब्झर्व दॅट. सी दॅट गर्ल इज whirling a key ring around a finger. Observe that. What type of force it creates around that object. Okay, figure number 3.4. see, girl whirling the key ring. So can you tell? So you should have to note down all your observations. Okay, on the basis of the questions given below, discuss the results of the activities listed above. So in which direction did the piece of chalk fall? When that girl moving a notebook with force, in which direction that piece of chalk fall? Okay, that you should have to write. Do it practically. Where did the water in the glass show a bulk? Bulk means फुगवटा, म्हणजेच काय, पेल्यातील पाण्याचा फुगवटा कोणत्या दिशेला आला, तो पेला फिरवताना. ठीक आहे. देन व्हॉट इफेक्ट डीड द मुवमेंट हॅव द थिंग्स अटॅच टू द केर? म्हणजेच किचनला जोडलेल्या ज्या वस्तू आहेत त्या फिरताना कोणत्या स्थितीत होत्या. For example, that key. Okay, then what happened to the water in the container and the mixer? म्हणजेच डब्यातील आणि मिक्सरचे जे भांडं होतं आपण घेतलेलं, त्या भांड्यातील पाण्याचे काय झाले? What happened? Then which forces could be operating in activities listed above? So which forces are there? Forces means ball. Just we have seen गुरुत्वाकर्षण बल and केंद्रोत्सारी बल. means centrifugal force and gravitational force, that forces. So okay, so which forces could be operating in activities listed above? So you should have to tell that. Okay, write down and note down that, observing all these figures and do it practically. See, explanation have given regarding that. Then next question is also there. In which activities did you find that the centrifugal or gravitational force was greater? Along all these activities, in which activity centrifugal or gravitational force was greater? मीन्स कोणकोणत्या कृतीमध्ये आपल्याला दोन्ही जे फोर्स आहेत, मीन्स ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स अँड सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स, दॅट इज ग्रेटर, जो जास्त आहे, दॅट फोर्स इज ग्रेटर. ओके, दॅट यू कॅन राईट इन युअर नोटबुक. डू दॅट प्रॅक्टिकली ॲट होम. That is homework for you. Okay, then geographical explanation has given. In all the above activities, the effect of the centrifugal force is visible. Note down that in all the above activities, the effect of the centrifugal force is visible. See, note down this. Okay, this one, centrifugal force is visible. Then the centrifugal force acts in the direction opposite to the gravitational force. So centrifugal force is just acting in the opposite side of gravitational force. म्हणजे सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स जो आहे तो विरुद्ध दिशेने कार्य करतो ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्सच्या. सेंट्रिफ्युगल मीन्स, नोट डाउन, सेंट्रिफ्युगल मीन्स going away from the center. Note down this point. This point, centrifugal means going away from the center. What is centrifugal? Answer in one sentence. Centrifugal means going away from the center. So you must have experienced it too by these activities. So at the local fairs, if you sit in the Ferris wheel, so local fair, just you have experience. Okay, fair means jatra, yatra. If you sit in a Ferris wheel, Ferris wheel means चक्राकार पाळणा जो असतो यात्रेमध्ये, that Ferris wheel means चक्राकार पाळणा. Okay, you sit spins. So it spins at speed, okay, and leans outward away from the wheel, and leans outward away from the wheel while spinning. So that Ferris wheel is leaning outward means झुकणे, बाहेरच्या दिशेने फिरणे, outward away from the wheel. Whatever wheel is there in the center, around that wheel it is spinning. That Ferris wheel means चक्राकार पाळणा यात्रेमधला. तुम्ही बसलेला, you sat down in that. I think you have experienced that. This also is an effect of centrifugal force. So what is centrifugal? It is going away from the center, moving just around that center. Okay, understand? Okay, divide the students into two equal teams, conduct a game of tug of war. You know the tug of war. For 5 minutes discuss their experience in the class. So we will do this, so when classes will start physically. Okay, this activity, tug of war means rassi khech. Okay, spardha, that is. See, centrifugal and gravitational force. Due to its rotation, the earth gets a type of power or force. So earth is rotating around itself, okay, around its axis, center axis, and it gets a type of power, energy or force. So this force works away from the center. Similarly, it is called centrifugal force. So note down this, what is called centrifugal force. This is the answer. Okay, you can note down in your notebook what is called centrifugal force. I am giving answers while teaching also. So due to this force, any object on the earth would be thrown into the space. So due to this centrifugal force, any object on the earth would be thrown into the space. We know that. So however, the gravitational force is working towards the center of the earth at the same time, but at the same time gravitational force is also working, Gurutwakarshan bal. Whenever we throw any object in the space, it will fall down because of the gravitational force. So this force is many times greater than the centrifugal force. Understand, gravitational force is greater than the centrifugal force. Note down this point, for your answer. Okay, this line. Understand? So hence any object on the surface of earth remains at the place where it exists. So wherever any object on the surface of the earth is there, it remains at its place, at the same place it exists. So that is the power of gravitational force. That's why gravitational force is greater than centrifugal force. Okay, note down definition of centrifugal force, gravitational force, and do all these activities at home. Okay, that is the homework for you. Next part we will see in next video. Do your homework properly. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.